independent and dependent variables. An independent or rather explanatory variable is one that is set independently of the other variable. It is plotted along the x-axis. A dependent, which can also be called a response variable, is one whose values are determined by the values of the independent variable. It is plotted along the y-axis. And on page 136 and under example 3, we are asked or we are narrated, a company wants to predict sales of a new album by a pop group. They know the yearly sales of a number of existing albums by the same group and the number of stores that stock each album. Which is the independent variable and which is the dependent variable? Of course, we have two pieces of information. We have the number of shops, and we are also told that we know the sales. They know the yearly sales. We have the sales. We have the sales. They have, or they rather know the number of shops, and they know the sales. So the question is, which is the independent variable and which is the dependent variable? Generally, the amount of sales will obviously depend on the number of shops in any given location. So we can easily say that the number of shops or the number of stores are or make the independent variable, and the sales, which is depending on the number of shops, is actually the dependent variable. So the number of stores is actually the independent variable, which is also called explanatory. It's called explanatory variable. And the sales, the amount of sales, will actually be the dependent, will be the dependent variable, will be the dependent variable, which is also called the response variable. All right.